This is a manual Forex trading system that has been developed to be used in the ever-popular MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is free to download from most online Forex brokers. Hopefully, this Forex Uranus strategy review will help you to decide if this is a Forex trading strategy that you would like to try out. I think that it has some potential but does require the user to take some initiative. This means that you will need to confirm each trading signal with your own market analysis to make sure that you are happy to take the trade. If not, you can always wait for the next opportunity to come along. What is the Forex Uranus strategy? The Forex Uranus strategy system looks to identify trending market conditions by analyzing the trend on multiple timeframes and will then send the user signals alerts when it finds a possible entry condition. It will also mark them on your charts using a combination of color-coded indicators. These technical indicators attempt to filter the market directional bias along with an entry point into the anticipated market direction. Forex Uranus trading system is a trend-following strategy for day trading and swing trading. Based only on one indicator, Forex Uranus features Forex Uranus type, trend-following strategy style, day trading and swing trading time frame 5 minutes or higher, currency pairs, majors and minors, profitability, 60% terminal MetaTrader 4 Forex Uranus indicator, template Forex Uranus, EA, order on chart EA panel. Trading rules Forex Uranus trading system open new buy or sell trade on Uranus signals indicator. Forex Uranus how to install indicator installation MT4 1170 plus built installation guide open MT4 platform. Click File/Open Data folder. Inside click MQL4/indicators and paste indicator. MQL4/experts, paste expert advisor. Paste template to templates folder. After finished restart MT4 platform for changes to apply in the picture Forex Uranus trading system. Forex Uranus system indicator. Forex Uranus trading is a tool that helps traders in swing trades. The best time frame for this Forex Uranus system to trade is 5 minutes and above. This Forex Uranus trading system will support only major and minor currency pairs, and it assures more than 60 points for the probability of profit trading. There are two types of Forex Uranus trading, which are Forex Uranus indicator, template Forex Uranus. Here are some rules for Forex Uranus trading system in MT4 indicators. First, to trade with these indicators, open a new buy or sell signal in the stock market. Install the Forex Uranus indicator, and in MT4 indicators, the Forex Uranus indicator comes with a built-in installation. After finishing the installation of Forex Uranus, you have to restart your MT4 platform for changes applied on the indicator's data chart. We provide special offers for new users to make their trading experience great. Forex Uranus trading indicators will help you get better experience in trading with the Indian market in NSE. A new trader chooses the right direction in trading with the Indian trade market by following conditions of Forex Uranus trading. Even though experienced people who know about trading with the Indian market also consider the results of Forex Uranus trading indicators. If you have any questions, please let us know. Please look at our website to find out more information about trading. Follow our website continuously and make your trade day with great profits. How it works. Uranus strategy with its built-in self-correcting, adaptive algorithm allows you to generate amazing results by pinpointing the exact times for you to enter and exit trades with great accuracy. All you have to do is tell it the trading style you are comfortable with, and Uranus strategy will notify you of the perfect time to make your trade. It is a way to make an income while keeping your time exactly that, yours. No more working hard just to have someone else make the profit. See results in no time. Hands you highly accurate trades on a consistent basis. It's capable of performing highly complex calculations in the shortest time possible in order to detect impulsive price movements that identify early trend formation. As a result of slow thinking, most traders discover trading opportunities after the price has traveled several pips already. Normally, looking at the charts, a typical trader wouldn't be able to do this. But this software can. And get this, you can admire its logic in the form of a user-friendly graphical interface which shows you what the algorithm is thinking at any given time. With the type of thoroughness and rigor used in its development, the software is calibrated to offer only the highest quality signals that provide the highest chances of winning. Detailed features, detects both continuation market moves in direction of the trend and reversal market moves against the trend. It helps you join the prevailing trend with near perfect timing. And it helps you determine when the current trend is exhausted, so you can prepare for an upcoming market reversal. It identifies all the important price movements, so you'd never miss a big move again. Our smart Forex Uranus strategy absolutely does not repaint. Works equally well in trend trading and counter-trend trading mode. The system includes a trader dashboard that has some buttons to quickly perform frequent operations. There is also a section where you can quickly switch between different currency pairs and time frames, which is quite useful. The Forex Uranus strategy can be used on any currency pair and chart time frame of your choice. The indicator is very flexible and can be customized to different trading styles such as trend trading, day trading, swing trading, Forex scalping and more. This Forex indicator can also be used on other trading instruments such as stocks, futures, commodities, cryptocurrencies,